guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you unboxing of this cool rainbow puppet, circle puppet. This is a Fidget Toy. So if you want this puppet, you can search in Amazon as puppet and you can buy any shape and color. Now let's unbox it. Oops. Okay. So this is the puppet, shiny and it's made of rubber, and this is a stress reliever toy. Now let's pop it. Ooh, so nice. Okay, oops. Okay, here the sound was feeble. Now let's pop the back side as well. Here the sound is more louder. Okay, so if you like this puppet, please comment down below or like this video so that I can put more challenges on this puppet. And subscribe to my Crafty Kid channel. So, see you in the next video. Bye!